day, fellow educators and non-educators whom are potential viewers of this short video or research presentation. I am Teacher Daisy M. Abenojar, Teacher 3 of San Gabriel 2 Elementary School, proud to present to you our study entitled Effectiveness of Numeracy Workbook for Grade 1 Pupils. And these are my co-proponents, Ma'am Myline A. de la Cruz, Master Teacher 1 of San Gabriel 2 Elementary School, and Sir Ramuel I. Bersamin, Principal 1 of Atlas Elementary School. Math skills is one of the basic skills a person must possess. It is the ability to use numbers and solve problems in real life. Mathematics is also as important as literacy. However, teaching mathematics to early graders is not as easy as 1, 2, 3. It involves a lot of creativity and compassion. At present, the school is utilizing the mathematics book issued by the Department of Education in teaching numeracy. The book provides the skills needed for grade 1 pupils. However, researchers noticed that the book was not so appealing to grade 1 pupils since most of the exercises were presented in grayscale and it is purely a paper-pencil test. The urge to develop a teacher-made numeracy workbook that addressed the scarcity of the instructional materials in mathematics for grade 1 pupils and that helped uplift the level of mathematical performance of the pupils sufficed. And then the scope and limitation. The researchers identified the present level of mathematical performance of the grade 1 pupils based on their first quarter test result. The respondents were 40 grade 1 pupils in San Gabriel 2 Elementary School, school year 2019-2020, who were struggling as to their mathematical skills based on the sampling tests.
Methodology. Descriptive method was used in this study. Data gathered and treated on the numeracy skills of grade 1 pupils of San Gabriel 2 Elementary School. The primary aim of this study is to develop a needed numeracy workbook for grade 1. The developed teacher-made numeracy workbook were used in conducting an intervention program for the selected 40 grade 1 pupils. The development of the said workbook underwent 4 major phases of development. Phase 1, the development and validation of numeracy workbook. Phase 2, the development and validation of the assessment tool. Phase 3, the design and development of the intervention program in mathematics. Phase 4, assessment of the effectiveness of the workbook based on the administration of the assessment tool developed. The statistical treatment employed by the researchers were: first is frequency, percentile, and t-test. Questions and findings. Question number 1. What is the present level of numeracy skills of the grade 1 pupils of San Gabriel 2 Elementary School based on the LOA report for school year 2018-2019? The above table revealed that the average numeracy skills of grade 1 pupils last school year is only 75%, far below the district performance target of 85%. This only shows that there is really a need to enhance the mathematical skills of the grade 1 children in San Gabriel 2 Elementary School. More specifically, out of the 14 sections in grade 1, 7 or 1/2 of the population fell below 75% passing mark. Question number 2. What are the numeracy skills deficiency of grade 1 pupils according to the lowest list master skills report and needed to be developed? The above table revealed that among the 16 competencies being taught to the grade 1 children for the first grading, 5 of them were in low mastery level. They are learning competencies number 14, 15, 10, 13, and 8. Question number 3. Based on the enumerated learning competencies, what numeracy workbook may be developed? The numeracy workbook was a research-based workbook developed for the grade 1 pupils of San Gabriel 2 Elementary School. It used the mother tongue of the locals, which was Tagalog, to make the instructions clearer for the grade 1 pupils. It was aligned in the teacher's guide for teaching Mathematics 1 to ensure that the competencies required in the curriculum for grade 1 pupils were targeted.
Question number 4. What numeracy intervention program may be proposed to address the above identified deficiencies of grade 1 pupils in mathematics? The Numeracy Intervention Program was conducted. It was designed to enhance the learning competencies of grade 1 pupils. It consists of 16 learning competencies as prescribed by the Department of Education for the first quarter. The 4-week program made use of the developed Numeracy Workbook as one of the products of the said study. Formative tests were also conducted. Question number 5. How effective is the developed workbook based on the pre-test and post-test result of the respondents? Basing on the computed t-test value, the intervention program and developed workbook is found to be effective in developing and enhancing the mathematical skills of grade 1 pupils. Conclusion. From the above findings, the following conclusions were drawn. 1. There was a need to develop a numeracy workbook as a support instructional materials for grade 1 mathematics due to the low performance in mathematics of grade 1 pupils. 2. The workbook was designed to be aligned to the learning competencies prescribed by the Department of Education. 3. The workbook was properly designed and subjected to series of validation process. 4. The Numeracy Workbook came with a built-in assessment tool properly validated and found to be acceptable. 5. The intervention program was found effective in developing and or enhancing the mathematical skills of grade 1 pupils.
Once again, this is Teacher Daisy Abenojar, together with my co-proponents, Ma'am Myline dela Cruz and Sir Ramuel Bersamin, of our studies, Effectiveness of the Numeracy Workbook for grade 1 pupils, signing off. Thank you so much.